back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, do it. Okay? And if you do, you become one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today we have a wig review. This is a wig from Motown Tress. This is Miss Stacey, okay? And Stacey is in the color F4/27 Frost. This is a lace part with a baby hair. She is a deep part lace wig, so she does have a lace front on her, okay? And it says that she has slayable edges. Pre-plucked part, you can see it right there. It says it's ear-to-ear lace, and she is it says finished length is 10 inches. I absolutely love that they put those on there. It does come with this tape, so if you wanted to use tape, you'd have tape. And it says it's heat safe up to some degrees. I know it's heat safe, but it doesn't say for how much. So, oh, yes it does, right in the front. Really, Tia, it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I scooped Miss Stacey up from Shop Hair Wigs for just $14.85. Kit is doing something, I don't know what. Let's look at her. So this is Miss Stacey, cute little bob. It does say that it is an F4/27 Frost. I'm not sure what the frost is. It just looks like an F4/27, so you can see the 27 highlights in there. And it's a beautiful parting, beautiful. And it was lace front, already cut the lace, 2 combs in the front. There is a comb in the back and adjustable straps. All right, let's get this girl together. I'm sure she won't take long. Then I'll come back with my final thoughts and we'll talk about my thoughts. Okay. So I got her together. I just want to look at the baby hairs are like pushed in, they're not sort of down. This is one of those things where this just really isn't my style of wig. The texture is amazing. It is, it's pretty non-textured. I mean, there's a tiny, no, it's not, it's a non-textured, so it would be pretty multicultural. The color is gorgeous. It feels amazing. I love the bounce on it. There's something going on with the bangs for me, but you know I'm not a bangs fan, so that's part of it, I think. I really think that that's a huge part of it. Let's look at her from the back. See, the back is really cute. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't love the way this is laying. And you cannot really move it that much. You can move it a little bit more this way. I don't like when stuff is like, I don't know how to describe it. I want to kind of have it up off my face a little bit. I almost feel like all this needs to go back. I don't know. It's a beautiful wig in terms of the color, the texture, it's comfortable. It's a medium to could go a little bit bigger wig cap. I just don't, this just really isn't my particular style. I think that's really just what it is. But other than that, it's really, really cute, but it's just not my style. But it's a beautiful wig. So if this is your style, then I would say you can't go wrong for, what was it? $15? Like, seriously? I think this is, yeah, it's just a bangs thing. But if you like this style, I think that this is a great wig. It feels, you know, Motown Tress is quality, and I think this, you know, this is a steal for the price. I do have another wig that I'm about to review, and this is Motown Tress's Anita, and I feel like they're like the same wig, but they're just like opposite parts. So I am going to review her, and then I'll do a comparison. So we'll see what I think after I've reviewed both of these. But this is Stacey's for now. Let me see what I'm feeling on Anita and then do a comparison. And then you can decide like which one would be best for you. But this is what I have for Stacey. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, please go ahead and put that down below. Oh, okay, now that, okay. A little tuck behind the ear on the one side. Made such a difference for me, at least. Yeah. That made the difference. That's what I needed. So if you have this wig and you have thoughts, go ahead and put that down below. If there's another Motown Tress or Bishi, they're the same company, wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and check my playlist out first, and then you can put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so if you have. Thank you so much. I'll see you and you and you in my next video. Bye.